Now I know the current hype is all about Rolex and their newest GMT Master 2, but what if I told you there was an alternative that offered similar functionality with a bit more detail and for a fraction of the price? Well, it's time to get hands-on with the Venezianico Nereide GMT. These names are very difficult, please bear with me. It is 1:57 p.m., let's get down to business. Jumping into the specs, the case material is your standard 316L stainless steel, 42mm case by 49mm lug to lug with a 12.5mm thickness. This watch is powered by an automatic Cal V3 290 Swiss-made SOP rod movement. It's got a GMT and a date complication at the 6 o'clock. You're getting a sapphire crystal with AR coating. You're getting BGW9 Superluminova lume. You're getting a 120 click ceramic and tungsten bezel and a 200-meter water resistance rating with a threaded crown. Now that we know the specs, let's jump into the pros and cons. First pro, I really do love the way this watch looks. It almost is kind of resembling that newest GMT Master 2 with that slate and black bezel, although the inlay of this one is actually a really tasteful mirrored finish plus a black section. And this watch actually came out before that Rolex, so the Rolex is an homage to this watch. The dual finishing all around is on point. Everything is sharp where it's supposed to be. Everything is smooth where it's supposed to be. And overall, very linear design and very well executed upon. The movement decoration is really impressive for a watch of this price range. And the bracelet is actually very, very comfortable and doesn't pull on my hairy wrists. But the watch isn't perfect, so let's talk about the cons. This watch needs drilled lugs, okay? Decently sized lugs. Them not putting drill holes in it, kind of an oversight in my opinion. Next con, I don't like butterfly clasps. That's just a personal opinion. Another con, this is a collar type GMT as opposed to a true GMT. So with this watch, the GMT hand moves independently of the rest of the handset. And some people really don't like that. Some people prefer true type GMTs. Now, I've made an episode comparing those two different kinds of GMTs, so click the top corner of the screen and take a look at that episode. Next con, watch wears a bit large at 42mm and a 49mm lug to lug. So if you have smaller wrists, that's something to take into consideration. And the lume could be brighter. With BGW9, it's very hit or miss. In this case, not the brightest or vibrant, displays of lume, but that's not a deal breaker in my opinion. And then finally, I guess I would say the name of the model and the brand is very difficult for my ignorant American brain. But all in all, this is a gorgeous, solid watch with really great specs, actually. When you compare it to the sub 1500 price range, I think that that's actually, very good, very reasonable for what you get. For those of you who like that slate and black Rolex GMT Master 2 that was just released but don't want to pay Rolex prices, this watch is absolutely, something that scratches that itch in a big way. And again, for a fraction of the price of that Rolex. But let me know what you think, guys. I will catch you on the next one. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay blessed. I'm Jory Goodman, the Time Teller. Always remember, I didn't invent time. I just tell it.